Time to get some trader talk from Alan Knuckman. He's the chief market strategist at Paradigm. Hello to you, Alan.
Hello, Angie. It's cold out there, but the markets remain hot. Friday, the markets firmed to 2-year highs in the S&P. Not quite the record yet.
You've had some winners recently. How are your trades coming along with your long call options positions?
All right, let's talk about our positioning. We've had 15 out of 16 winners here in the last couple of weeks. So we've done very, very well. We're still in position. Now, we sold half of those positions with a 50% gain. So we've got still some upside potential left in the rest. Last week, we took profits in TME, which is Tencent Music, which is a Chinese stock. So even when that sector has gone straight down, there are still bullish plays in any market.
You always find opportunities in the market. What's your new trade?
All right, let's talk today's trade trigger. Today's trade trigger is in PBR, Petro Brazil. Oil's well. Now, this is a stock that's rallied, and it's rallied here from 10 to 16 in the last year. It's broken out. It had been between 5 and 15 for the last decade or so. So a breakout of this range. Now we're at 16, targets an upside of 25. The PE is 3. So it's an extremely cheap stock from an earnings perspective. We're also seeing leverage buying, which is one of our indicators we keep track of here. And someone's positioning well for this stock to continue to make this move. Now, like I said, oil's well in this stock, whereas oil's got good risk reward down here at the $70 a barrel level. And I don't know how much longer the $2 gas prices can last.
You would like to see a rally happen at PBR, so what's the plan?
Okay, so let's talk strategy. The way to play, as we've been doing, buying in-the-money options that act like the stock, cost less, risk is limited to what you pay for this option. So I'm looking at the June $12 call. Now this stock's trading about 16, so the option is $4 in the money, trading for $4.50. So it's got plenty of time for nice development here. And like I said, it's a deep in-the-money option with time to be right.
Alan, traders are saying that the stock market is taking a breather. Tell us more in your takeaways for today.
All right, today's trading takeaway. Trading takeaway number 1, stocks are sideways. Sideways for the last month. So we're a 100-point range in the S&P, a 1,000-point range in the NASDAQ, and a 1,000-point range in the Dow. So this is sideways, which is what we needed. We needed a pause to rebuild some of that strength for another momentum burst. Number 2, the rates right now, that's very important. Everybody's talking about the rate cuts. Now, that's a positive, but they may not come as fast and furious as we had expected. So we are stuck in a range there as well between 375 and 4.25 for the 10-year note yield. Now, again, sideways is consolidation before another move. If it breaks to the downside in rates, then we can see 3.25 rates. And that's after this epic drop from the high here at 5% in the 10-year note yield. And number 3, the fact of where we are right now. We're less than 1% from the all-time forever highs in the S&P, even with this momentum stalled here. But we've seen how the trends are still in place. The dollar index is down, the 10-year note yields are down, the VIX is down. And to summarize, stocks are holding strong.
Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.